Hello, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a haul and review. If you're interested, just keep on watching. Starting off, I am unboxing the selfie mirror mount. This tech piece is for your phone. So like, let's say you want to record with the back camera. This piece really comes in clutch. It really does work. When recording with the back camera, you can really see yourself. And able to make this work, you have to mount this on anything that has this piece right here. This next tech piece that I'm going to be showing is the smartphone video rig with handle. This is one of the best pieces of tech that I've bought. It gives you such a great precision when you're recording with your hands. I like how they made this with different aspects. For example, it has different options of where you can put different pieces. For example, right here you can use a selfie ring light, the small ones. Right here you can mount anything that has this piece, such as a ring light, microphone. What I meant also by different aspects is you can also put another piece right here if you want it right there. If you flip it around, you also can see it also has different parts that you can also mount things. Now this is the pieces from the side that you connect. Now this is a demonstration of what it would look like if it had all the pieces that I've shown so far. I really like how this is adjustable. Now I'm going to be unboxing this set of 3 lights. This last piece of tech that I'm going to be showing is the photography lighting kit, dimmable 5600K. I don't know how to really say it, but I really like this piece of tech. It is 3 lights that come with their little tripods. They all actually different sizes. I really like these lights. They really get the job done. They're not blinding lights, but they're bright enough if you feel like you don't have enough light from a ring light that you have. But what I use these lights for are, I put one of them in front of me, one on my right side and another one on my left side. So when I am recording, there's lighting on all 3 sides and there's no shadows on my face. And this is the tripods that it comes with. It comes with this piece that you have to take off. And with this part, all you do is just twist it on the tripod until it's all tight. And I forgot to mention that it comes with this piece so you can adjust it to move at an angle, but I decided to leave mine without this because I didn't need it. Also, it came with these color filters that you can adjust the lighting with, and they come in different colors. Personally, I'll only be using the white one, but it's up to you on which one you want to use. If you want it to be red, green, is really up to you. Overall, I really recommend this tech piece. If you're somebody that already has a ring light but feels that doesn't have still enough light in the room or wherever they're at, this is what the 3 look like. This is the piece that I mentioned earlier. It is meant to be put, but I decided not to put it earlier because one, I did forget to put it. I didn't realize that it came with this piece. But it's really up to you if you want to use this piece because it could also be put without this piece. This is to really just move it around and adjust it. It's really up to you, your preference. And this is how it looks without that piece. It just doesn't move around without it. It's just still.